We're at our first job of the day. 2-bedroom, three rooms, 2-bedroom, 1 living room. Here's a bedroom and a closet. I did that room already. Pre-sprayed, agitated. Yeah, here she goes. So we got this room. And we got this room back here. I still have to do yet. Didn't do this room yet. So I'm gonna do this room next. Get the closet. This is a move in, move out cleaning. This is easy in, easy out, no furniture. These are like my favorites to clean. Something I like to do because there's no furniture. You can just easily move around, get things done. So you got the air mover set up in that room over there. Got another air mover in here. That way when we're done, we're gonna go ahead and dry this out quick. And we're gonna get to the next spot. Carpets are turning out great. There's a spot, the before and after pictures. It was right here in the carpet. It didn't come out, and it actually came out. So it was a black spot. It was from furniture rubbing. Sometimes it breaks down into the fibers from over time, moving the furniture back and forth, a lot of movement. And so the paint got into the furniture, but we worked that out, and that came right up. So I'll have pictures for that. All right, here we go. Here are the after results. We got done with that cleaning. Room came out great. This one I'm real happy about because this one had a stain right here on the floor. That came out really good. I'll show the before and after pictures on that. There was a heavy traffic area right here, right from the kitchen. You can see there's still some darkness. That's from the damage of the fibers. But that came out really good. That was really dark. It was nice. Now we came out here. We were here about an hour and a half. Hour tops. And yeah, we're gonna head out.